Hello everyone, welcome back to our topic related to in-order traversal of a tree. So we are going to see an in-order traversal example. In my previous video you have seen the algorithm related to in-order traversal. Here we are going to see an example related to in-order traversal. So as you know, what is the order to be followed to perform in-order traversal is left, node, which is nothing but root, and then right. Okay, so this is the order we have to follow. So let's take example of tree A. So in means here root is visited between left and right. Okay, so now in this example we are going to perform in order traversal of a tree. So here we go to the root node first. So we need to visit left part, that is left subtree. So we go again to B, which is again a root for D, which is a left subtree. Then we go again, D is again a root for left subtree G. Now G further don't have any child, so we will take the leftmost node, that is G first for the traversal. Then the next is node, means root node. So we'll go to D. D is visited next. Okay. Then the right. Now this right is H. Okay. Now this H doesn't have any left subtree. That's why we'll visit H first. Okay. Then after node there comes R, which is L here. So L is visited. Then we'll go back to H, which is already visited. Then we'll go back to D, which is already visited. Now we have the left subtree of B. Node B is finished. Now we'll go to the root. Okay, root is B. So we will visit B and write it here in sequence. Now we have a right subtree which consists of only one single node, that is E. So we will visit E now. Okay. Then the left subtree of A is complete now. So here comes the root, which is A next. So A is next. Now we need to go to the right part, right subtree. Here we have C, which doesn't have any left part. That's why C will be considered now. For C, again we have at the right subtree F, which again have a left subtree with a single node I. So we will have I first. Then we can see that it doesn't have any child, so we'll visit backtrack to F, which is a root for I. So we'll write F here. Okay. Then we are again going to the right part, as the left subtree is over for F. We going to the right subtree. Right subtree again consists of a left subtree consisting of a single node K. So we'll write here K. Okay. And then remaining node J, which is a root node. Okay. So this is a in-order traversal. Now all the nodes are visited. We have completed the in-order traversal. The sequence is G, D, H, L, B, E, A, C, I, F, K and J. Let us see the solution. G, D, H, L, B, E, A, C, I, F, K and J. Okay. So this is how we are going to perform in-order traversal of a tree. Now try to trace the in-order traversal for this tree and just check it out by yourself whether you get the same answer. Okay. So this was all about traversing a tree in order. So this was the example. Now I hope you have got to know how to traverse a tree in order manner. Okay. So our next topic will be covered is post order traversal. So I'll be uploading the video soon for this. Till then, try to solve this. Thank you.